Non-surgical retreatment, fixing the past to save the tooth. Let's start with a quick mind map. When do we retreat? Why do treatments fail? How do we retreat step by step? And what should we watch out for? Before we begin, remember this mnemonic. Retreat equals repair. R. Reason for failure. E. Evaluate clinically and radiographically. T. Take out old gutta-percha. R. Rediscover missed canals. E. Eliminate infection. A. Address procedural errors. T. Three-dimensional obturation. Retreat the tooth to repair the tooth. Now, when do we retreat? Persistent pain or swelling. A periapical radiolucency that does not heal. Missed canals. Underfilled or overfilled canals. Poor condensation. Coronal leakage. Separated instruments. Repairable perforations. Or failing coronal restorations. Remember the mini mnemonic. Pain plus radio equals retreat. Why do root canals fail? Untouched anatomy. Missed canals like MB2. Poor irrigation. Voids in obturation. Ledges or canal transportation. Coronal microleakage. Inadequate shaping or cleaning. Now, how do we retreat step by step? Step 1. Re-access. Remove leaking restorations. Create a clean, straight-line access. Use magnification whenever possible. Step 2. Remove old gutta-percha. You can use heat, Rotary retreatment files, solvents like Chloroform or eucalyptol, or ultrasonic agitation. Remember the mnemonic HRS, heat, rotary, solvent. Step 3. Locate missed canals. Use magnification. Use ultrasonic troughing. Use CBCT when indicated. Look carefully for MB2, lingual canals, and anatomical variations. Step 4. Correct procedural errors. Bypass ledges. Remove or bypass separated instruments. Repair perforations with MTA or Biodentine. Correct canal transportation whenever possible. Step 5. Clean, shape, and irrigate. Use sodium hypochlorite and EDTA. Activate irrigation ultrasonically or sonically. Reshape canals with an appropriate taper and safe technique. Step 6. Obturate and restore. Use warm vertical or warm hydraulic obturation. Provide a strong coronal seal to prevent reinfection. Now, what should you watch out for? Remember the mnemonic LAMS. Ledge, apical block, missed canals, blockage, strip perforation. Let's summarize. Retreat equals repair. Understand the indications. Remove old materials. Find missed anatomy. Fix procedural errors. Disinfect thoroughly. Obturate in 3 dimensions. And seal coronally. Time for a quick quiz. What is the main mnemonic for retreatment? Retreat equals repair. What are the 3 ways to remove gutta-percha? Heat, rotary, solvent. Name a commonly missed canal. MB2. What does LAMS stand for? Ledge, apical block, missed canals, blockage, strip perforation.